Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series. And today you will learn the Halo Eye Makeup with the brown and green eyeshadow. Firstly, I am taking the brown eyeshadow, depositing it over the outer edges of the eye with the help of smudge flat applicator in the direction of V. So if you want to see the color I have taken from the palette, you can reverse the video. Now creating the guideline for Halo Eye, depositing the same in direction of V over the inner corner, the outer corner and the crease line. This is the guideline for Halo Eye. Now making the color more dominating using the darkest brown color. The brushes I am using from the brand Bellie. Now blending the color with the help of big blending brush. Again depositing black color. You can see how beautifully it blends. Applying the guideline with the help of concealer brush and the concealer. Tell the client to see the terrace. Now you get the guideline. Draw a cut with the help of fine liner brush. The concealer I am using from the brand Forever 52 with shade number C0V001. Draw a cut for Halo Eye. Filling all the gaps with the help of concealer brush from the brand Pro Art. blurring out the lines from the outer edges or the inner corner. Taking the green eyeshadow from the palette and depositing it over the cut. Now using the gel liner from the brand Forever 52, applying it with the help of liner brush. It come in shade number GT001, the darkest black color. Now smudging the liner with the help of smudge brush, as you can see. Here is the look after lashes. The lashes from Bombay Vanity. And after applying the gel kajal pencil from the color in the color white, now going to do the under eye smudging with the help of smudge brush, and the same color, the darkest brown, going to smudge the under eye. Now moving on, next step, applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal, applying it to the lower lashes of the eye for completing the look. So here is the final look in front of you. If you have any query, you can directly comment in the comment section. We'll respond to everybody as soon as possible. Till then, bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in next tutorial. Keep practicing.